All right, today we're checking out the Thor MX Sportmode Kit. This is their ride all day but built to last kit that is going to be perfect for everyone looking to hit the trails, down to the racetrack. Let's check it out. First up, the jersey, super lightweight. It's got a nice breathable feel with moisture-wicking fabric and nice breathable panels to keep you cool whether you're logging laps or just taking a joyride. The Sport Mode jersey has raglan sleeves, which means less seams across the shoulders and a lot more freedom for your movement. Now the pants. You've got pre-curved knees, stretch zones where you need them, plus it's made out of the same great breathable fabric as the jersey. These are built with the same rider-first approach. Whether you run braces or not, these pants are designed to work with you, not against. Taking a closer look, I really like the flexibility that they built into these with the appropriate reinforcement where it counts. It's going to allow you to get a lot more laps out of this entire kit. When it comes to the gloves, you get the best of both worlds. They fit nice and snug, but super lightweight, breathable, just like the jerseys, and there's just a little bit of that nice leathery grip on the palms here that are going to keep you nice and attached to your bike. If you're looking for everyday gear that holds up and won't break the bank, definitely check out the Thor MX Sportmode Kit. At DennisKirk.com, we've got a wide variety of colorways, a lot of which you do not see here. So check them out, DennisKirk.com, search Thor, and let us know if you picked up a Sportmode Kit.